What is up everyone? Today we are doing something special. I'm going to try to paint one of these pairs of shoes. This is something I wanted to try for a long time, but I'm really nervous about this because this is essentially like $100 piece of canvas. Like, this is an expensive piece of object to be painting, but it's also really exciting because it's something I could actually wear. Let's jump into it. Let's try this. This is so nerve-wracking, but hey, there's only one way to learn how to do this well, so let's try it. Today we're trying Miss Vicky's sea salt and malt vinegar chips. I love sea salt and vinegar. That's like my favorite flavor, I think. What I would go for usually, but I don't think I've tried the Miss Vicky's ones before, so let's jump in and see how they are. Okay. Oh, that is strong. If you like kettle cooked chips, Miss Vicky's is like the go-to, right? And sea salt and vinegar, probably the best chips. The only problem with these chips is if you eat too many, your mouth will wear down. It's a very strong flavor. This is really good. There really isn't much to say about these. Miss Vicky's has like the best chips, I think. Perfect amount of crunch. If you like really crispy chips, these are great. Kettle cooked. They're definitely a little bit more greasy than something like Lay's, but these are really good. Miss Vicky's are probably the best. So I give these about 49 out of 52 schmooples. Now let's get back to painting these shoes.
I'm done.
Here's the finished shoe. Whoa, look at that, look at that. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I was kind of scared about how this would turn out, but this looks great. Very low color contrast here because I'm doing black on dark gray, so it doesn't stand out very much from a distance. Like, if you see it at a distance, it's hard to see those details, and I actually kind of like that, so it's a little more subtle, not too in your face. The patterns kind of remind me of like an old rug. That's what it reminds me of. I'm really happy about this. I definitely want to do more shoes. So this is like a shoe I've worn because I didn't want to have my first shoe be like completely new because that would be way too much pressure. So I do want to try new shoes, so that will be coming up next. In the future at least. If you're interested in seeing that, then make sure to subscribe. And if you're interested in learning how to draw, I want to drawing tutorials over on the website that you can check out. Link will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for checking this out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And let me know what you guys think, by the way. Did you like this? If you have any criticism, feel free to let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bye-bye.